How much does a heat pump cost in the UK? Thinking about installing a heat pump in the UK? The price can range from under £5,000 to over $20,000. And in this video, I'll explain exactly why. I'm Michael from BeFix, heating and renewable energy engineers installing heat pumps and boilers across London. In the UK, an air source heat pump typically costs between £8,000 and £14,000 before any grants. A ground source heat pump can cost between £15,000 and £25,000. The final price depends on your home's insulation, radiator size, hot water cylinder, pipework, and how much heat your house needs. The good news is the government offers grants of up to £7,500, which can massively reduce the cost. A heat pump can cut your carbon footprint and lower your running costs if installed correctly. Contact BeFix for a free heat pump assessment. Call us on 0208 058 4241 or visit befix.co.uk to book your repair today.